The recent peace agreement brokered by Turkey between Somalia and Ethiopia is heralded as a significant step towards resolving long-standing disputes in the Horn of Africa. However, a deeper analysis reveals a complex interplay of geopolitical interests and actions that contradict the spirit of cooperation professed in these negotiations. Turkey's involvement as a mediator has been instrumental in bringing the two nations to the negotiating table. This role aligns with Turkey's broader strategic goals of expanding its influence in Africa through diplomacy and development aid. While Turkey's efforts are commendable, it is crucial to critically assess whether its mediation is driven by altruistic peace-building objectives or if it serves to further Turkey's geopolitical and economic interests in the region. Ethiopia's ambiguous actions. Despite participating in peace talks, Ethiopia's actions on the ground raise questions about its commitment to peace. There is credible evidence that Ethiopia has exerted control over regional leaders in Somalia and supplied arms to various factions, undermining the federal government of Somalia and contributing to internal strife. This strategy appears to be a part of Ethiopia's broader aim to secure its interests and maintain leverage in Somalia, particularly concerning its access to the sea and influence over strategic locations. Somalia faces profound internal challenges, from insurgencies to tribal conflicts, which are exacerbated by the influx of arms from neighboring countries, including Ethiopia. These actions not only destabilize the region, but also hinder Somalia's efforts towards nation building and peace. The peace agreement must therefore address these underlying issues, ensuring that external parties refrain from actions that undermine Somali sovereignty. Regional implications and future challenges. The agreement's success in fostering long-term stability in the Horn of Africa depends on sincere commitment from all involved parties. Historical mistrust and the ongoing rivalries among regional powers such as Egypt and Eritrea complicate the situation further. The peace process must navigate these dynamics carefully, ensuring that Ethiopia's engagement with Somali leaders and factions does not perpetuate a cycle of dependency and conflict. The peace talks between Somalia and Ethiopia, facilitated by Turkey, are a hopeful development, but they occur within a context of contradictory behaviors and geopolitical maneuvering. For the agreement to translate into lasting peace, it is imperative that Ethiopia ceases its military involvement with regional factions in Somalia and commits to genuine cooperation. Continuous international oversight, particularly from Turkey and other stakeholders, will be crucial to uphold the terms of the agreement and to foster a stable and cooperative Horn of Africa.